So now let us see how we can work around with due date setups inside of our Trello cards. So over here, I'm in my Trello board, that is the TutorTube board. And let's say I want to add in due date to my Scene 7 script. In order to do that, simply click on Scene 7, and over here on the right hand side, you can find that due date is an option. So if I were to click over here, then you can see that now I can set up a date. So let's say, for example, I want my due date to be August 28, 2020, and the time should be 2 p.m. So that is going to be the due date. You can also select it from the calendar right here, or you can go to set reminder, and let's say you want to be reminded one day before, so it pops up on your notification one day prior. So once you're happy with the due date that you want to set, just click on save, and you and your assigned team members who are supposed to do the work will be reminded through the notification right here. And you can see that August 28 is the due date for this particular task. If you were to go over here and then click on this checkbox, what happens is that it is marked as complete, just like that, as you can see. You can also go around here and remove the due date altogether. So let me just go over here on to due date, and let us go 1 month prior, just like that, in July. And this is today's date here as mentioned. So if I were to go over here on to 24, let's see what happens. If I were to add in save, what happens is that it says that it is overdue. So if I were to check it, it says completed, but if I were to uncheck it, you can see that it is past, like it's it was due yesterday, so it is overdue. It shows the work just like this. If you were to set 1 day after and press save, what happens is that it says the due date is tomorrow at 2 p.m. just like this. And you can set a reminder as well. So let's say, for example, remind 1 day before, press save, and it'll be reminded just like that. So you can set it tomorrow, or if you were to set it for today and press OK, it says due soon at 2 p.m. So this is how it is color coded, and it'll remind you when the project is due. And once the project is due or it is completed, you can simply check mark that off to mark it as completed, just like that. So this is how members can collaborate with the due dates inside of Trello cards in Trello boards. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.